here we go. This would be part 2. Got the bunnies here. There you go. Now I'm just trying to figure out where I have this light come down here. It's flashing. It's annoying me. Looks good on camera, but I don't know where the remote is for it. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I'll do this screen or something. I don't know. Let's see. Come on. There we go. There you go. I'll turn this guy off. I can handle that in my face. See, that's the problem. When you're lighting this stuff, I don't want to be annoyed by the lighting. I don't want to be annoyed of the angle of how I'm altering my position with the drawing, so it's for the camera. I'd rather. So that's the challenge with this stuff. So aside from, this webcam attached to the arm of a mic stand, that way I can just move it around and put it aside afterwards, and there you go. So but let's continue in this artistic jamboree. Okay, so I got my old Winsor Newton. Hello, yes, hello. What? I want the buddy eating these. I'll put them up here. It's a nice shot in the background. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. It's like magazine style. Look at that. Ooh, fancy. Hello. Oh, thank you. Thank you. So, look at the numbers. I got a couple 5s, 0.5s. I got a 1, I got a 0.8. 0.8's good. It's nice. Like I said before, I like these nibs. They're a bit fatter, a bit longer, take a bit more abuse, and if you go light, it can get pretty fine. So put that back in the magazine shot. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Oh, there's a bunny. Look at that. That's rock and roll right there. That is rock and roll. And I'm using this little light from the dollar store. Plugs in USB. You can have different light temperatures and stuff like that. And it's, I got it at the thrift store for like $3, but it's probably $6 or $10 or just, I don't know. It's, yeah, minimal, out of the way, easy to put there anywhere. Anyways, enough tech talk. Now that we've ended the tech talk part of this session, let's get to the funky art session. Okay, now Pickles, look, I paid you good money. You gotta be in the shot. There you go. You see, you gotta be in the shot. Cozy up to the blanket. There you go. There did be. Okay. So here we go. So this is after hours art. It's 1:10 a.m. That just shows you what kind of responsibilities I have. There's a bunny. See if I can get her ears to stand. Sometimes you can get her ears to stand up. Come on. No, just depends. I was able to renegotiate the contract with Pickles, and she decided to be part of this process. First time she felt, a bit, like she didn't quite read the fine print, and I had to get the attorney involved. Legal stuff, eh? Legal bunny stuff. That's the worst. Okay, right. Art. The magical world of art and imagination is all of yours. Okay, so now that we've done sort of his upper body and the back and arm, let's work on his right arm here, and it's quite a monstrosity. And you've got this massive delt, got the bis, and then I've got some added muscles because I can't handle I can't handle a flat area. Every area's got to have muscles, and yeah, it's any American boy's dream. So let's begin. So let's start by doing this, and then doing that, and then doing this. Here we go. Okay. So I'll just start on the outside of the shape, and then I just work in. And like before I mentioned, that's that whole relationship of these muscles and imagining how they're going to be going out of sight, what's going on with them. And I kind of played around here. I kind of gave him like 2 elbows because, he's got some mighty guns. He's got to double up on the elbowness. And I kind of treat the muscles like as if they're wrapping around each other and working, trying to figure how to work with each other. Peace and harmony, muscularity of peace. Or peace, muscularity? Yes. The peace of muscularity. So here I want to get there's a little indentation on the muscle here, and the veins kind of going in, and then this way you show the curvature. It's coming out. And then this is where the bark is intersecting with it. Kind of a bit vague here, but let's see if we can figure it out together. Oh my goodness, she's falling asleep. That's so cute. Need some better lighting, eh? Oh my goodness, the delicate lighting. That's better. Look at that. It's all about the bunnies. You're gonna stand up? No, come on. Stand up. All right. Oh yeah, I'm working over here. So it's cool. It's got a lot of veins coming out here. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Yeah, she's licking my robe. Oh, and then she's going crazy. Oh, thank you. That's so cute. That's so cute. God, I love it. She just started doing that too. I've been holding her a lot more, and she's more appreciative of my kindness and warmth of my massive arms, my guns. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yes. Oh. Oh, so cute. Cute, 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 cute. That's it. Okay, I keep going over here. Sorry, I'm just so attracted to his forearm. It's turned me on. Oh. Bunny is now investigating. Investigating here, investigating there. Just general investigation. Okay, now I'm working on the veins again up here. Yeah, these ones are real interesting because I like how big the veins are, and it's hello. What you doing? Hello, hello, hello. Oh, thank you. Oh, now she actually booped the mouse, and now it's like okay. Oh, now she's knocked the light. You know. Oh my god. Okay, now she's screwed up my windows. Okay, let me. It's just so darn, you say. Okay. Okay, enough of this tomfoolery. Okay. So here we got the vein. Maybe we can have the veins going through the bark or something. It's a bit more complicated, so I'll leave that and hang out here. Oh, here too. So this is a good example right here of allowing the veins to implying the roundness of the bicep and bringing it out. Someone's having fun. Okay, don't touch the mouse. No mouse touch, no. Hello, hello, hello. That's one thing about Pickles. If you start petting her head, just goes down. Daisy does not do that. She gets into warrior phase. But Pickles is quite... She's more like a farmer in this Renaissance time period, and Daisy is the warrior, the knights of the Templar, beating the crap out of everybody. Oh, hello, thank you. I don't know what I am. I'm just some artisan guy who gets beat up every time the Lord comes to town. The Lord? What do you call them? Lords? I don't know. I went to art college, so I don't have an education. Hello, I see you. I see you. Okay, so here I'm just having fun with these. Definitely gonna make these veins very thick and dense, and oh my god, oh my god, oh no. Okay, we got Bunny. Like no, there's no way out. Okay, look. It's in your contract that you have to stay within a 1 foot square radius, or you don't get in your bonus. No bonus for you now. Now you just got to work for scale. Okay. So when I do my veins, I see them as like vines, like just growing, sort of creeping along the muscle. Okay, so we got vein underneath, and then the vein over top. There's a lot of, it's called vein. Okay, see now. Oh my god. No cables. Oh jeez. Gotta get rid of this cable. Okay, no cable for you. Okay, that's the mouse. I have to keep that here. Oh no, I got headphones. You know, I gotta put like something there. Okay, this is what you've dad has come to. I gotta put in a blanket now. See, this is why society has rules and regulations. So now we got a colorful, okay, now she's going to play with that. Yeah, that's the thing about bunnies. You know, you put something else to block something, then they have something else to move away while they get to the other thing they're going to block. Oh, now the lamp's going over. Total chaos. Okay. If you weren't so cute, I'd have you arrested. Okay, things are dropping. Okay, come here. Come on, come here. Come here. Jeepers. Okay, taking me 18 hours to get this done. It's going to be expensive drawing. Okay, so I've been ignoring the muscles and just paying attention to the veinery. No, that's not how it works. Veins. Oh, now she did it again. You know. Okay. Come on. Come. Okay, she's stuck. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, come on. No, you're gonna. There's cables. There's like 18 snacks. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. Okay, now I have to jam. See, now I gotta jam this in there. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is what you call. This is what you call. What is this? Recycled home improvement. Come here. She's going in the one spot. Okay. If I wrapped this around her that way. Here up. There you go. There you go. Get a blankie on you. There you go. Get the nice ladybug blankie on you. There you go. Okay. That's cute. I'd put you in my pocket. Okay. Oh, that lasted. No, down. Yeah. Okay, so we got the big old beefcake muscle there. I got that one there. And this little seam, the crevice. The many crevices. Oh, thank you. See, she's licking me again. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. See, she's gonna try again. See, she's gonna go. Yeah, she wants to go. No. You'd be surprised what bunnies can move. They are definitely good at maneuvering things, because you just got to be when you're running from owls and raccoons and wolverines and Ant-Mans and Age of Ultrons, whatnot. The usual menagerie. Oh, get your butt. Oh, rub your butt. I got your butt. Oh, yeah. And on rub her butt, she starts to lick things. Oh, rub your butt. Oh, rub your butt. Oh, rub your butt. There you go. That's a good way to stop a bunny in its tracks. Rub its butt. Okay, no. No. She saw all those wonderful wire snacks, and now she can't not think about it. Okay, there we go. Now we're going with the other elbow. Oh. See, the problem is now I have to jam this in here. Like I have to Here's a hard drive. Let's jam some hard drives in there. See, it's not even good enough. Okay, let's, I don't know. There we go, I got this water bottle. Okay. We'll let Pickles rest behind the sketch for a bit. Oh, now she's being cute. What you doing? What you doing? Of course, I'm just as much of a problem. Oh, okay. Yeah, she's pulling at the towel. She bites. She likes biting blankets and towels. Yeah, we have many very much more cooler blankets now that she's put a lot of air holes in them. Makes for better hallway vision. There we go. Then we're going around. So now I'm working on the forearm here. I should move that over a bit there. There we go. There you go. Now everyone's on the same page. Okay, there we go. Bringing out the muscles. And see, I'm doing the little dashes here just to rough them in so I don't go crazy with a big thick line and then it doesn't work. And then you're just stuck with it. But there's ways around that too. The key to any drawing is how to make people think everything in it was on purpose. Because we all know artists don't know what the hell is going on. Okay. Yes, now Pickles is using her head as a lifting device. Yes. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. See if we can get it. That's better. There we go. On this clip here is just to keep the paper from flying up in the corner and being all floppy. That way it doesn't bounce. Oh God, she's... Let's put it this way. If you're missing a cable, go follow a bunny and they'll find it for you. Okay, see, I'll show you what she's doing. Okay, now she's doing that. But now she hates this blanket, and so she's biting it to let him know who's boss. And that's what she's doing. Okay. Let's see if we can. There we go. It's good. That's what's great about the mic stand with the arm, because then I've got different ways to adjust it. It's the best way to do it, and it's the cheapest rig you can get. Because you go to a music store and they're like nothing. They're like $30, $40. Like they're just nothing, and they last forever. You can stick everything to them. Okay, let's see here. Okay, we got. Okay, then we got this cool little separation here. That's going into his inside of his arm, inside of the, I don't know what you'd call that, but you know, like I said, art college. I didn't even get my degree at the art college, so that, I don't know what that tells you. I'm either not quite with it or an anarchist, or both. Okay, now she's moving just things, not because she has to. Now she's biting my custom desk topper thing I made of recycled plywood. Hello, 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 hello. Oh, thank you. Okay. Can you stay there? Just stay there. You know, the ratings is going down when you're not on camera. Goes, oh no, that's how YouTube works, ratings. Oh, now she's licking me again. And then she's investigating him again. Okay. Yeah, so she's okay, she's knocked over. Yeah, she's knocked over my pick jar. I have a jar of picks, a pick of jars. A jar with my picks in it. Now they're over, and now she's back to her day job of attacking blankets and towels. Oh, that's cute. Can you do that again? Do that again. Do it again. Oh, that's cute. Okay, that's cute. She's got such a cool nose. That's a nose with character. That's a nose I had to pay for many times. Damn contracts. Oh, that's cute. Okay, focus. Focus. Okay, now this is the part where it gets a bit Willy Wonka because I'm kind of contorting the hand. And let's finish off. Finish. There you go. Just define these things. I know they're good here, so I'm going to go a bit harder and harder line, and I have confidence in this crazy world. There's a junkie, yeah. Junkie here, junkie. Okay, that's a bit wonky, but that's okay. That's okay. So I've got, trying to figure out, I didn't really know what to do here. It's, you know, it's compressing, you know, right, see right here, the wrinkles you get when you pull down your hands. So I'm just exaggerating that. Putting a divot here and playing around, creating my own laws, my own rules, the rules of anarchy. Hello, hello, psst, psst, psst. Come on. Oh, here you go. Ear, 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 ear. Isn't that fun? Okay, okay. The ratings are going down again. Now here, I'm not filling all this up. Well, I want to. It's very addictive. Banging the crap out of this arm. I know you take it. Oh, there's a cute butt. Oh, there's a cute tail. Look at that tail. Oh, look at the feet. Oh, look at the feet. Oh, look at the feet. I got the best feet. Have you ever felt a bunny's foot, man? It's like the densest fur patch in the world. Oh. Okay, let's define these outside lines for sure. So the main thing that I want to get defined for sure is the outline of the shape, the overall shape, because when I bring it into the computer, I'm going to want to select the outside and then reverse it and then create one solid color. Yeah, she's pushing. She's investigating the PlayStation 3 and all its devices upon such a devicing way into the device land. Okay, crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. Now here I got hands are definitely, obviously, traditionally they've been the hardest, right? That's just because there's just so many. There's so many parts to it, so many that are independent and not independent, and figuring out that relationship. So for here, I usually what I do is I just do this, I'll just, like that, I don't know, something like that. And obviously, I've changed proportions because, this is a big dude, so he's got to get everything's got to be much, his fingers has got to be just as muscular as everything else. So, but you can kind of see where those wrinkles happen there in the fold, and then I kind of put them in there, and then you just got to remember, that these fingers go farther away. So if it's here, they're going to be farther back down here, you see. So, you just kind of play with it. And you always want to kind of, not make them all go in this. You want to change up the variety, change up which each one's doing just to give it a bit more interest. And because I'm, this is my own little world and coming up with, okay, she's being cute. Okay, I got it. There you go. There's a bit more bunny action in there. Oh, now she's eating. Checking out my furniture, making sure it's up to code. And, so with each finger, I want to make it feel like it's very fleshy and soft also. So you kind of, when you come out of a crease, and then you want to bulge in the middle of that section of the finger, and then it wrinkles here, and I want to make that kind of have some movement instead of just doing like consistent form. This could be even a lot more. And then you got the knuckles. You want to like build up some more wrinkles on top, just like your own wrinkles. Your own knuckles on your wrinkles. No, the wrinkles on the knuckles. Knuckles, wrinkles, wrinkles, knuckles. So you just make a little guy for that. And that's something you can exaggerate or not. You don't want to be careful. You don't go do too many lines, and then it just looks like, ends up just looking like a big squiggle of lines. Oh, look at that. That's look at that. Oh my God. Okay, now I can't afford this cuteness. Great. Now I gotta get a loan just to pay for this. At least the ratings are going up. Now I can get you that fancy gold water dish you've always wanted. So in here, it's kind of definitely getting more squeeze, so you can make a harder line and make some other wrinkles and stuff. But for now, that's fine. I mean, when I bring the computer and play with it, and I can add or take away. I'm just applying the finger there, and because you're dealing with a hand that's just been through a lot, building up this Macedon figure. Is muscular, Gojira. I don't know. I could keep mentioning bands. I don't know. And I just do a little couple marks. I don't know. Just to give some kind of character to it, you know. I've got the last finger. Maybe I'll go a bit smaller with that, and then it kind of wrinkles. This gets to the crease there, and there we go. So now that I've done that, I want to go a bit thicker on it. Let's get this thicker here. And that's the thing about the nails too, trying to figure out when you can see them, when you can't, you know. Trying to imagine if with that, would you see it, would you not see it, you know. Make this more defined, because this is the outside of the shape. Just want to make sure everything connects, because when I select it in the computer, there's no gaps or anything. And then I want to make it so in each section you give it, I want to give it more, it's kind of coming out instead of being too straight. I mean, mine are, but this, you know. And there's the knuckles. And this I'm just kind of, just a bit of insinuating it, nothing too much. And then because in this one I played around with that part, like sometimes I went too far out or went too far in, just about the relationship of all this, because once again, I mean, you're trying to figure out what's going to happen when this event is occurring with these figures, and got to make up your own rules for this stuff. And the successful artists that can do fantasy, you know, imaginative works, are the ones that when you look at it, you feel like it would exist. It should be able to exist, you know. It's very grounded and has a good foundation to it. Like everything's architecture, you know, this figure is an architecture. So it's like a building, you know, if the building is small at the bottom and big at the top, or if the materials are oh my god, bunny cuteness again. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. You're so cute. Okay, I think I gotta define this more. Just gonna follow along. Yeah, make this more solid. Here too, it's a bit too loose. So it's solid. Solid. Okay. I think that's a good rough end there. Put that in your smoke and pipe it. That. Okay, so we got this part here. Lighting, I tell you. Just the lighting here. Okay. Oh, we get into this spot right here. Pickles, come here, come here, come here. is what I'll do. I don't know, sometimes they don't like soft things. Or like sitting on soft. They like like smooth. And I dropped the pen. Okay. There you go. That's it. That's it. Is here? Yeah. Okay. Now we're working on this. Yeah, see, okay now? Yeah. God, bunnies are like 2-year-olds. They just can't sit still. Ironically, I think she's 2 years old. I think. Okay, so these are coming together. I'll just make a. So, okay, what are you eating? Well, that is the reality of bunnies. They like to eat their own poo, which I know may be disturbing for the kids out there, but that's what they do. So we got this. I think it's going around here. Going around there. Okay. See. That's one thing about this one. It's a bit fuzzy. You can see it's kind of. I have another 8. Let me try the. Oh no, I can't. I don't know if I can find it. Let's see what we got here. Now that everything is Blanket City, let me just do. Yeah, I got a 5. Maybe if I use a 5 for this, for the veins, it's a bit better. Yeah, because one of my 0.8s, it's kind of fuzzy, and it kind of doesn't always work depending on what side of it you use. And I have another 8 around here, but I can't find it. Oh my goodness. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, there you go. That's a good shot. It's okay. Yeah, she really has a. Wait. Come on. Oh, there you go. That's perfect. This is the spot. That's what it's all about. Look at those ears. She likes it. You do this. She loves. And you do like a combo. There you go. She likes that. What's going around? Okay, so this is, the bottom of the tricep here. Oh, he's licking my robe again. He's so cute. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, it's a bit loose. Okay, what is a vein here? Let's go there. Let's go down to show the form of the muscle. Now here's where, bicep is hitting the shoulder. So I think I did a little bulging kind of wrinkle here. I like the idea of treating these muscles like they're either like pure fat or they're pure muscle, like, or both at the same time. It creates this very much more interesting and unique portrayal of this. A little divot there that's kind of coming around there. It's going around the corner. Go around the corner for me. And then we go over there. So this is, there you go. Get that muscle. Okay, I'll just press harder and just be really consistent with the pressure, and then that way, a nice solid line. There we go. I'll make this more solid. Put a vein there. Look at that. It's all coming together. Just like in that TV show. I love it when a plan comes together. Yep, I'm old enough that I didn't watch the reruns of the A-Team. I watched the original broadcast. Couldn't get enough of slow-mo people flying over the camera. It's poetry, man. It's poetry. Okay, come on, Pickles. I don't know why you like it back there. Maybe because there's less of me back there. Is that what it is? Okay, I'll put some stuff there. Okay, there you go. Look at that. Who pushed the camera? Who pushed the camera? There we go. That's better. That's good composition. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. Okay. There we go. Well, I'm definitely feeling the darkness in my age. I think maybe this is a bit more complicated with the relationship with the bark and the veins and the muscles, and but at least we're able to get this arm figured out for the most part. It's a bit messy there. What's going on there? And yeah, so thank you for watching, hanging out with me. And to all you kids out there, make sure you play safe. Don't do drugs. And always put your harmonica in your pocket. Okay, Pickles, say goodbye. Just be cute or just stay there. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Oh my goodness. So stay tuned for part 3 when I continue on my drawing and Pickles gets an agent. Oof. Man, this can be a lot of paperwork. See you, folks. Stay frosty.